Good morning and welcome to day 3 on the Arizona Trail of our section hike that has been cut short. So we are, as I said last night, we are headed back to Flagstaff. We both had a good night last night. I didn't sleep quite as well as I did the night before. I don't think he did either, but we had some really cool camp spots, so that was nice. And we're just pushing forward, but it is really windy today, so I'm not sure how much filming I'm going to get in. I can cut the wind when I'm not talking, but if I'm talking, if I cut the audio, then it'll be like this. Yeah, that's not fun, is it? Okay, so we're going to push on. We come about 4 miles so far this morning, and we're just going to retrace what we did the last few days. So we're still going to have fun. It's still a good trip. Just an out and back trip instead of kind of a through hike or a section hike. But anyway, good morning, and we'll see you a little bit later down the trail.
Hey Rance, what are you doing?
I can't do it.
What are you doing?
I had a pebble in my shoe.
Oh, the pebble I told you to take out earlier?
Oh, payback. Okay, it's kind of windy. I'll talk loud, but I know you all have been anticipating this moment. This is the debut of Lenny and Larry. They made it to the trail. So we're gonna have a little bit of Lenny and Larry cookie. Coleman is completely destroying his pack over there. What are you looking for? More goji berries?
Anything I can find.
He's so hungry right now. We are burning some calories out here.
Ravenous for some reason.
Just stop taking our packs off for a second and relaxing. I know you guys like to watch us eat, so. That was so good. They're always better on trail, just a little bit. But they got a lot of calories in them, so that's what we're gonna need to get back to Flagstaff. Okay, see you in just a bit. Coleman has a surprise. I see it. I see it. Coleman, what is that?
Squid.
Squid jerky. Yeah.
Awesome.
It is. Go to your local Asian store and get some squid jerky, squid shreds, whatever it is, because it is good. I got some, but I don't know what day of food they're in.
Be funny if you've been putting rocks in my pack along the way.
I have been putting rocks in your pack. It's hilarious. Yeah. Little pebbles, one at a time.
I feel it.
Alright, it's gonna be our little lunch spot for the day. Just gonna spread some stuff out and relax for about an hour and get back on trail. Sorry for the wind. Alright, on the menu for lunch, we got more of this. I wasn't really impressed with it yesterday, but it's okay. So I'm gonna eat it again. Put that there. I'm gonna have tortilla, maybe some trail mix in a while. What are you eating?
Well,
Oh my goodness. What? Look at them beauties.
oh, you need to see my other ones.
Woo.
They're
Yeah.
wonderful.
Those are something else.
No, I'm having a tuna burrito, a little bit of goji berries.
Goji berries. I tried those once. Wasn't impressed with those either.
I think I got some, they call it trail butter. It's some kind of fancy peanut butter.
Fancy peanut butter.
Yeah,
All right.
it's somewhere in here.
Well, we're just gonna relax. Stretch your toes and that's it.
So this is going to be a mess. This is
Yeah.
almond cashew butter blend with maple syrup and sea salt, but it's a little thin.
That looks wonderful.
So
That's gonna be everywhere.
we'll see if I can get that all over me.
You're gonna take one bite of that and it's gonna be all over your pants.
Not if I eat it over your pants. We'll see. You can't resist?
All right.
All right, here we go.
Oh, he might pull it off, folks. Hey, y'all want to see something where I'm eating? We're both eating. That's some elk poo there, boys and girls. That's all right. Funny. Hey, good evening, everyone, and welcome back to my tent. Anyway, Robert and I made it to camp. We backtracked 12 miles to the Bear Canyon where we knew there was water for sure, and it'll be another 10 miles tomorrow into Flagstaff. It was a good hike today. It was so incredibly windy, so I didn't do a lot of filming, so it might be a short video. You might be happy about that. We passed a few hikers today and we told them about the water situation. A few of them seemed concerned, which they should be. I mean, if you're not doing close to 20 miles a day, a 30-mile stretch is no joke, not out there. So we're gonna reevaluate things when we get back to Flagstaff tomorrow evening. Other than that, it's still windy. It's supposed to die down a little bit around 3 o'clock. So hopefully tomorrow will be a nice day, a beautiful day to hike. And we'll get back into Flagstaff. We'll update you then. We're gonna try to get a hotel and just kind of plan from there. So anyway, have a great night. Hope you enjoyed the video today, what little there was. And we'll see you tomorrow morning on the trail. Good night.